Now, everything man fights for hinges on his or her needs. That's why Abraham Maslow, as part of the needs of man, clothing wasn't exempted from it. The very foundation of clothing also hinges on textiles, and within textiles, there are several roles in arriving at the fabric. One is the fiber itself, the yarn, the fabric, and the decoration of the fabric. Then arriving at clothing. We're going to have one of the groups of students undergo this process as we have a view of it. Beautiful, isn't it? Now follow me.
Textile art, what is it actually?
The textile art, production of items from the various materials in textiles.
I think your students were overexcited because they were anticipating that textile would be all about tie-dye and all that. But with the textile art, it seems they are seeing something different. What do you think is causing that?
Well, ordinarily, when you hear textiles, you think about batik tie-dye. Like that's a general mindset about people. But that has changed over time. Right now, there's a lot of introduction of materials. So, like putting together various materials come out with products. That's the thing we're talking about. The product can range from wall hangings, interior decoration items, floor coverings, clothing accessories, and accessories for your gadgets, like the one my laptop is sitting on. In fact, the possibilities of products are endless when it comes to textile art.
We are hoping to come around just to check up on their progress in the department. Thank you very much. You are pursuing textiles, right? Okay. And the experience so far?
It's very interesting. Along the way, you get it.
Okay. Along the way, you get it. And when you were coming to pursue textiles, what were you anticipating that you get?
About fabric, so not doing
embroidery, a whole lot. Okay. And I hope by the end of the whole program you experience what you came here for. You know, you have it to the max. All the best. And how is the experience like?
Things are going on well.
Things are going on well. You love what you're seeing?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Okay. How is it so far?
So exciting, new experience.
More practical, hands-on.
A lot.
Okay. Orange, what's your name? Rita. Your experience so far?
Okay, when I was coming to offer textiles, I thought it was only about fabrics.
Okay.
But I didn't know we are going to do something like this.
Something like this. Okay, more or less like macrame, right?
Yes.
Okay, so more practicals. Interesting. And what are you anticipating that at the end of the whole course you achieve?
At the end of the whole course, I'm expecting to achieve a greater skill that will benefit others too, not only me.
Your name?
I'm Rabia.
Rabiatu.
Yes,
okay.
please.
Rabiatu. So far, how are you taking the course? I know you are in the first year. How are you taking the course?
I never knew we would do this one too.
Okay.
But this one, I like it a lot, so I mostly go to YouTube
to watch some of these things. Now you are experiencing it. How is the feel like?
It's like I don't know how to feel it.
You don't know how to express yourself.
Yes.
Because it's phenomenal for you to have such an experience. You're enjoying it, so that's good. So what would you tell your friends who think textile is all about tie-dye?
It's like textile is not only about tie and dye. We can do wall hanging, wigs,
so many things.
So many
beautiful,
things.
Artistic things.
Yes.
And my gentleman over there, you too?
I'm Isaneko.
Okay.
Right now I'm experiencing what you are doing, and work is also, fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You're having a fun-filled day, right?
Yeah.
Okay.